In this video, you will learn how to use DeepSeek as a coding assistant to create, explain, review, and fix code. First, open DeepSeek on your computer or mobile device and start a new chat. Then describe what you want to create as clearly as possible. For example, you can ask DeepSeek to create a website, a Python script, a mobile app, or a specific function. Make sure to include important details, such as the programming language, what the code should do, and any requirements for the project. If you already have code, copy and paste it into the chat and ask DeepSeek to analyze it. You can ask DeepSeek to explain what the code does, find possible errors, improve the code, or suggest a different solution. For example, you can write, "Analyze this code, find any errors, and explain how to fix them." If you want to create code from scratch, try to break a larger project into smaller tasks and ask DeepSeek to help with each part. You can also ask it to add comments to your code so you can better understand how each section works. After receiving the code, review it and test it in your development environment. If you find an error, copy the error message and send it to DeepSeek along with the relevant part of the code. Then ask DeepSeek to explain the cause of the error and provide a possible fix. You can continue the same conversation to improve the project, add new features, or make changes to the existing code. This way, you can use DeepSeek as a coding assistant to help you write, understand, debug, and improve your code.